afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I got me another Yaled. I have 4 Yaleds. I love these modern Yaleds. They are beautiful. Um, I've had 4 in my collection for some time now. I don't know what this one has in it, but we're about to find out if I can pick it. If I can't pick it, I'll open it up anyway. Uh, let's see what we can do. What was I going to show you? Oh, the key. This is the bidding on the key. Not too bad at all. So I feel good about opening it, but we shall see. Should have got everything ready beforehand. I just picked the lock out, and this is the one we're going to go with. Alright. No problem. I'm going to be using my Follies set. Follies pick. I'm going to be using a number 1 tensioner, if it'll work. Let's see. Alright, that's pretty good. And I'm going to be using number 3 Follies with a very thin shaft. I'm going to be using 3 and 4. I'm going to start off with the number 3 side. And if I have to go to the 4, I will. This really doesn't go in all the way. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now we're really good. Okay. Needs thin. It's got a paracentric keyway. Let us begin. One, two. Oh, I can reach right around there with this. Nice. Three. Little movement there. I'm not sure which one I'm on. Is binding. Okay. I think that was 3. Yeah, 4. I got a little click out of. 5. I'm on 6, but one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't think there's anything in 6. Please let me be right. Alright, again, I'm beginning. 1, got a little movement there. 2, and I got a little bit more movement. Nothing like a false set, I just feel it in my fingers. 3, feels a little weird. Okay. 4, I got a little click out of. 5, I got a click out of it. It's a nice movement. No false set yet that I can see. From the beginning. Oh, I should have checked 6. Yeah, I'm going to check 6 in case I'm wrong. 1, 2, nice. 3, it's binding. Feels weird. Okay. Bouncy. 4. There you go. Okay. 5. Okay. Good set. And 6. You just don't feel anything. It's just super bouncy. I just don't think there's anything in there. But I've been wrong. 1. That one again. 1, 2, I got counter rotation going. Nice. 3. There we go. 3. 4, little click. 5 feels good. Nothing on 6. Oh, that felt like a double click on there on number 1. Feels good. 2, got a nice click out of 2. That third one feels, I don't know what it feels like. Maybe a spool? No, not a spool. I don't know. Okay. Okay, that feels good. 4. Nice click out of 4. 5. I got a good movement on that one. Still not a false set. 5. Come on. Okay. Nothing on 6. I'm going to try using a deeper, the other side of this. One. Oh, nice click out of 2. 3, and I got some moving on 3. 4, and I got a little bit more moving. 5. Nice click out of 5. And nothing on 6. Beginning. 1. Feels good. 2 is binding. Okay, click out of that. 3. Gotcha. And a little bit more movement. 4. Nice one there. I'm saying I got a good, not a good, but I got a false set going. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Got a click out of 3. 4 feels good. 5 got a little click and some more movement. 6, nothing there. Beginning 1, I got a click out of 1. 2, got another click there. 3, a little click, a little bit of movement. I feel it in my fingers, it's moving. 4, nice one on 4. Definitely got a false set going now. 2, 3, 4, 5. Another little. I don't know if you can see it moving or not. I can't turn it all the way that way, but maybe I can. I'll try picking up. Let me move over. Now I gotta look through the camera as I pick, so this makes it a little bit harder for me. 1, 2, nice click out of 2. 3, I got a click and I got some movement. 4, nice. More movement. 5 feels, well, that was a click. And nothing on 6. In the beginning. Good false set. 1. 2 feels good. 3, I got you, baby. Woo! Mr. Easy? Come on, man, you're going to have to chime in. Woo! That was cool. That was cool. This is the Yaled Series Y210051. I love these. I really, really like this. All right. Let's keep it here. Move that there. What do I need to open this with? The Phillips head. Okay, and I'll put that there. What's this? I hope that didn't come out of there. It couldn't possibly. Okay. All right, there's a top we don't need. I still need the Phillips. Just put those right there. Put that right there. Take the top off. There. Okay, just set there. Let me put a little shim in there. Come on, scoot over. There you go. Okay. Now my follower. No problems, no problems, no problems. All right. Okay. So here we got it. There is nothing in 6. I was correct. Woo, woo, woo. I get any drill pins right there in front. Let's see what else we have. Number 1. Oh, there goes a anti-drill pin right there. Put that in 1. What a beautiful, definitely. I don't know if it came this way. I don't know if I did this, or I don't think I did this. I'll show you these pins afterwards. 2. I really don't know if I did. I think this is stock from the oh, that's why I'm having problems on 3. Wait till you see 3. It's like a T-top. Boy, this tray's dirty. Okay, that's 3. I love it when I know what I'm talking about. Very, very thin spool. Someone's going to have to tell me, well, let me look at it. I'll tell you if it's my work or not. I definitely know my pins. Oh, there's a anti-drill pin want to come out. All right, this pin is stuck. We give it a little persuasion there, a little push from the rear. That's what she said. There you go, come on. There we are. That was that one. So far, all right, let's look in here. Zoom. No work done whatsoever to the core. This anti-drill pin, I think, came out of there. So I'm just going back. So you got 3 of them, which is very cool. Really love this Yaled. I really, 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 really love it. I love the mod Yales. I'm going to start collecting more of them. What did I do with that shim? It's still in there. Damn it. Alright, now we're going to have problems with the shim. There we are. Scoot it over. Let me see if I can grab it real quick. Here we go. Alright. Top pins. Pin number 1. Really, really nice spool. I did not do this. I don't believe I did this. Got a nice copper spring to go with it. So someone's going to have to tell me if this is a stock Yaled, because I'm doing it for Stock Ox Sunday, but I wasn't sure what it had in it. 2 beautiful serrated. I I shouldn't say anything yet. I got my short eyeballs on. I can't see the pins up close yet, so I don't know if they're mine, but I don't think so. Very, very, very nice. All right, I'll leave it the way it came out. Another copper spring. Another very, very skinny spool. And last pin. This is the last pin. Okay. Here's another really, really skinny spool. And again, nothing is in 6. So chalk one up to Thumper. Did the spring pop out that I didn't notice? Anybody see a spring pop out? That's for... Oh, there it is. Oh, almost lost it. All right. Back off your camera. There we go. I don't believe anything's done to the Bible itself. Let me put this down there and give you a close-up of what we got going on. I like giving you a real close-up, so give me 1 second. 1657. Man, I can never make a short video. Zoom. All right. You know what? I just don't know. I don't know if this is my work or not. Most likely it is, but I'm not saying 100% sure. I do not think they come stock like this. But there we go. Check out the pins. Number 1 is a nice spool and a serration, and we have a serrated on the top with a couple of serrations in the middle. We got this one here. A number 3 is like a T-top. I definitely know that. I must have did this. And a serration in the middle. A spool with serrations on the top. Really skinny. And that one's upside down, pardon me. It's just a massive... That's my... That is my work there. I can tell that's that last pin. I can't see it on the other ones, though. A serrated pin. Better. Yeah. Okay, top pin is a really nice spool. I'm complimenting my own work and I just don't remember. Nice serrations on number 2. A serrated tapered down pin in 3. 4 is a really skinny spool. And 5 is a skinny spool. I wish I could say 100% that I made these, but I'm pretty sure I did, I guess. I don't know. I got 3 other Yaleds exactly like this. I will check them out and see if I did any other work to them. That's what I got. That's what I did. I picked this puppy. Thank you for coming and watching another episode of Thumper's Lockpicking. Hit that like and subscribe button. And at the end of next week, it will be the drawing of the giveaway, appreciation giveaway. Probably going to hold it on Friday. Sounds good to me. I don't know if I'm going to take a break from taking videos or not, but we'll see as we go along. Thank you again. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. See y'all on the next one. I'm gone.